Good morning, Knights.
I'm Jennifer Cuchilla,
And Michael here.
bringing you the nightly news.
Freshmen, you probably have no idea what's going on, and that's okay. I want to personally welcome you to our amazing school, Village Academy High School. You are now a Village Knight. Now, as intimidating as high school can be, I'd like to tell you that it's going to be fine, and even though every other grade is going to make fun of you, we mean it in the best way. We all love you, I promise.
Seniors, coming up next Friday, September 13th, we will be having our senior kickoff. Please bring your parents for a welcoming dinner that will start at 6 p.m. in the cafeteria. The kickoff will cover some key events that will be going on throughout this year. Hope to see you there.
Knights, do you have any hobbies or passions that you want to share with your fellow classmates? If so, then get ready to check out some clubs coming up next Friday, September 13th, for our Club Rush. Club Rush will be during lunch, and you can sign up for anything that you find interesting. It'll give you an opportunity to participate in various activities throughout the school year.
Seniors, did you get a chance to attend Senior Sunrise a week ago? If not, then make sure you check out the highlight video posted in the link below.
And now for the SAT word of the week, swagger. Let's see what your classmates had to say.
Hey there, what's your name?
Relly Salinas.
Abby.
Keith.
Jacob.
Mr. Tan.
Alejandro Flores.
Elizabeth.
My name's Jacob.
This is the SAT word of the week. Do you think you can pronounce it?
Swagger.
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 Yeah. Swagger.
Swagger.
I think it's swagger.
What do you think it means?
Having swag.
To be cool, have style.
To be confident.
To be cool or confident.
Your swag.
To be confident.
Very stylish or flamboyant.
Well, instead of telling you what I think it means, would I be able to act it out?
Yes.
There we go.
Oh yeah. That's some swagger right
That's
there.
some swagger, yes.
Yeah.
Swagger is an adjective meaning to walk around in a proud, showy manner. And now for a sentence. Walking around the school with his customary swagger, Diego conveys the impression that he owns the place.
Now for the quote of the week. Failure is a great teacher, and I think when you make mistakes and you recover from them and you treat them as valuable learning experiences, then you've got something to share. Steve Harvey.
Well, that's all, Knights.
Have an awesome week.